Hi, suppose you have an object and you expand it further. And make sure that your symmetry is off because your symmetry needs to be off. Remember this symmetry. We'll talk about symmetry later. That means whatever you do on one side, it will mimic on the other side. So suppose you're making a ship or a flying, a plane or something, you can draw on one side of the wing and the symmetry will, do the other side also, make changes. So if I do a right click, I can go to faces and I can click on that, and then this hammer tool that you see, I can extrude and create my shape, and I want it. So it's a Command E. So say you got this right, and say I keep extruding it, and you kind of want to make some shape out of it. Now you want to make subdivision out of it. What you can do is you can zoom out, and you can use something called MultiCut. So MultiCut is basically you select a surface, make sure you're on the surface mode. You see faces, you click on faces, and you can do MultiCut. So it gives you that scissor or knife. And then you can do that. You can make those. Then you can also click from there. You can do MultiCut in a lot of different ways. So what that really helps is, say you press 2, you're creating the shape, or you press 3, and then you can also do MultiCut while you're there. You're creating the shape that you want to break, and then you can go in, you can extrude that, and you can create the shape that you want. You can also bevel. So you can MultiCut or bevel it and extrude it and create your shape. So you can see that you're creating your shape in different ways. This is the easiest way of making shapes. So just be careful of these black things. this like a negative space. It is, and this happens when you pull it wrong, and you can always undo. See, when you did this, when I did this, I pulled it wrong at the wrong angle, and then you can go back and fix it. Hope that helps. Thank you.